What's up, everyone? We're making our drive to Alto, Texas.
Yes.
East Texas to go on a. We'll probably go hunting today, tomorrow, and obviously the next couple days and hang out. So, see you guys when we get there. Here's our home as a dweeb.
That
He's worse than our wives.
Sitting here for over 5 minutes. Jedi, Junior. Woo!
We're already. We're gonna try to get him in. Fuck!
I want to pop my cherry. We've only been for 10 minutes. They already gave me a gun.
And I brought my AR to see if we can shoot some hogs. We've only been here 10 minutes and we're having fun.
Woo!
Sous chef?
Huh?
Sous chef?
No, the sous chef.
That's the sous chef.
I'm actually an actual fucking chef.
What do we need? Pork chops, right?
Pork chops.
Pork chops.
Fried with pork chops.
Green beans.
Corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Johnny Walker Gold Label.
Yeah, there you go.
Jim Beam.
They brought the good drinks. I'm not gonna lie. And they
And football.
football,
And
baby.
football.
Football, baby. Smile,
Huh? Like that.
That was good.